India's northeast region, home to some of the most magnificent mountains, is known for offering people with rare wilderness experiences. No wonder the region is a popular adventure sports destination. In a bid to promote this further, Arunachal Pradesh recently hosted the 4th edition of Mechuka Adventure Festival, which was thronged by tourists. Take a look.
Rich and classy artifacts, colorful traditional costumes, dance, music and food are the main essence of every Northeast region's festivals. To make it unique and worthy, the 4th edition of Arunachal's Mechuka Adventure Festival offered an exciting package to the visitors and tourists. Situated at a scenic valley nestled at the foot of northeastern Himalayan range in Arunachal Pradesh, Mechuka Valley, which is the home of 5 tribes, is a lesser explored tourism destination. Graced the festival by Union Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting Rajvardhan Singh Rathore and Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiren Rijiju, the 3-day affair festival showcased local sports, delectable cuisine, crew and rich cultural shows. The festival was jointly organized by Indian Tourism Ministry, the State Tourism Department and the Center for Cultural Research and Documentation with an aim to promote Mechuka as a preferred adventure tourism destination.
सिर्फ अरुणाचल नहीं, पूर्वोत्तर नहीं, हिंदुस्तान का एक ये एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स का कैपिटल बनना चाहिए। जब भी कोई एडवेंचर के बारे में बोले तो मेचुका याद आना चाहिए। इस तरह का हमारा फ्यूचर प्लान, इस मेचुका को डेवलपमेंट करना है, उसके लिए सारा लोग सहयोग देना चाहिए। गांव के हर आदमी, हर जवान, औरत, मर्द जो भी है, सबको एकजुट होकर के इस जगह को, एक खूबसूरत जगह को और भी खूबसूरत बनाने के लिए सबको योगदान देना होगा।
जो इनकी सोच है कि किस तरह से मेचुका को का नाम पूरे भारत में और पूरे विश्व में बढ़ाया जाए, उस सोच को और उस हिम्मत की दाद देता हूं। आपको बधाई देता हूं मैं कि आपने इतनी हिम्मत दिखाई और उस हिम्मत से ये मेचुका आगे बढ़ेगा।
Hundreds of tourists from across the state and other parts of the country witnessed one of the most adventure festivals in India. Activities like paragliding, arrow shooting, quick biking, rappelling and trap shooting attracts tourists and kept the visitors engaged. Different tribes of Arunachal also enthralled the audiences by their rich traditional dance and costumes. Budding designers from the region took part in the festival and showcased their intricate designs created from local-made fabrics. However, presence of a well-known Bollywood singer Adnan Sami lightened up the audience's mood and gave a real feast from some of his Bollywood hit songs.
We all know that to promote tourism we need good connectivity, good air connectivity, road connectivity and other facilities. Arunachal एक ऐसा जगह है जहाँ में we can have a lot of adventure activities. I keep saying Mechuka is a beautiful place. लेकिन यहाँ पे लोग आएंगे, एक दिन देखा, 2 दिन सुंदरता तो देख लिया, तो उसके बाद क्या करेंगे? So we want to hold them for another week or so. So we are trying to create the adventure activities which will become the part and parcel of the tourism activity here in this valley.
मैं समझता हूँ कि अगर जन्नत में एक एग्जाम्पल दुनिया में है तो इस धरती में अरुणाचल प्रदेश में है। मेरे ख्याल में खुदा ने अरुणाचल प्रदेश को बहुत फुर्सत में बनाया।
Holding such festival will not only bring more tourist inflows to the region but will also promote tourism of the state. Such festival helps build up an economic growth of the state as well as prosperity of the northeast region as a whole.